In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's comments option. We'll see step by step how to edit and delete comments from your posts in WordPress. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the Comments option. You can see all your comments here on this page. You can delete this comment, send it to spam, and quickly edit it. Choose this Quick Edit option and your full comment text opens for editing. Edit the comment as you wish and click on this Update Comment button. It's updated. You can delete the comment through this Trash option. Go to the trash above, and if you want, you can restore your comments again. Click on this All option, and here you can see our deleted comment is restored successfully. Now go back to your site's homepage by clicking on our logo. This is our website's homepage, and we'll move to the Comments section. And here you can see all the comments on your site. So now back to WordPress. If we delete the comment here with the Trash option, you can see the comment is automatically deleted from here. Back to WordPress, and click on this above Trash option. You can delete this comment permanently from here. If you want to delete several, you can select Bulk Options and apply it from this Apply button. So now you don't have any comments in the trash. That's pretty much everything with the comments. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes. We'll see step by step how to search and insert themes on your WordPress sites. Inside the WordPress dashboard, go to the Appearance option and choose Themes. Inside it, you also have Customize, Widgets, Menus, and Theme Editor options. So these are all the themes. You can see theme details, or you can activate it by this Activate button. Click on it. Go back to your site and refresh your homepage. If you want another theme, activate another. Again, refresh your site's homepage. So this is your new theme. If you need more themes, click on this Add New button. Here, more themes appeared. You can search category-wise, like Popular. Click on it. Lots of themes are available in this category. Similarly, there are so many in the latest. The next is Favorites, which is empty right now. We haven't marked any favorites. Next is Featured Filter. You can specify your search from here. Select Categories and apply filters. Select the features you want and the layout you like. Then apply it with this Apply Filters button. So there's no theme with filters. You can again edit your filters with this Edit Filter option here. Make some changes and again apply filters. So the themes that satisfy your filters are showing here. Back to filters. Remove them all with this Clear button. Then again, click on this Apply Filters button. Back to this Featured option. You can also search themes. Insert your search term, and here are all the themes related to your search. You can activate any of them. Select the one you like and preview it by clicking on it. Here, it's showing how it will actually look. You have got a slider here and category layouts. If you don't like it, you can close it from this Close button on top. So let's see another one. It will look something like this. If you like it, click on this Install button. So, it's installed, and then click on this Activate option to activate your installed theme. Here are all our installed themes. Go back to your site and reload it. So your newly selected theme is installed and activated successfully. That's pretty much everything with the themes. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes customization. We'll see step by step how to customize your installed themes on your WordPress site. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes customization. We'll see step by step how to customize installed themes on your WordPress site. So, let's get started. Inside the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance. Select this Customize option inside it. On the left, you have all your editing options. Choose Site Identity. You can insert logo from here. Edit the site title and tagline. Also, if you don't want to display them, you can hide them from here. You also have other display customization options below. Select your preferred setting. You can also insert a site icon from here. Customize your settings according to your convenience, and then click on this Publish button to implement changes. Click on this Back button to exit this setting. Next is Color Settings. Click on it. First is Header Title Color, and you can select the color according to your choice. It will change just the color of header title, not the subheadings. Next, we have Background Color. This also you can choose accordingly, whichever you would prefer, or you can select Default by clicking on this Default button. Next is the header image. You can hide or insert a new image. Click on this Add New Image button. Select your preferred image from the media library. Click on this Select and Crop button. You can skip cropping or crop it according to the dimensions. And here, your new image is inserted. You can also randomize uploaded headers, and if you don't like the image, you can change it again. Next is Background Image. You can insert one through this Select Image button. Then we have menus, widgets, homepage settings, front page, and theme options. Click on it. Then choose Layout. You can change your site layout from here. Choose which one looks great on your site. Exit from Layout and click on this Publish button. Refresh it, and now you can see all your changes have been implemented successfully. Again, on WordPress, close this theme option. That's pretty much everything with the theme customization. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn everything about WordPress Themes Editor.